In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Students, students, businessmen, athletes, sportsmen, all of these people, those who do prepare well and those who do the thorough work, they find themselves ready to face even the tougher situation, the tough circumstances. And they don't mind once the circumstances are tough. They don't mind. They don't feel embarrassed. They don't lose their senses. They don't become upset. They don't become unhappy. Why? Because they were ready for it. The real life, the practical life, this life too, it is rarely smooth. It is rarely smooth. It is not very easy, not very smooth. Rather, it is usually challenging. It is usually challenging. Now, the people who are expecting the easy life, they become embarrassed because the tests and the trials of the life are not of one type only. Rather, any sort of test might occur, might come in front of us. We might have to face it. Sometimes we are expecting a cooperative behavior from the people who are close to us, but they fail to cooperate us. Sometimes even we face a sort of conspiracies, leg pulling from the people who are considered close to us. So it is not easy. As for the rest of the people are concerned, many of the people are gentlemen. They don't try to hurt you. But some of the people, they are not the responsible human beings. They are quite irresponsible and they do have developed the negative thinking. You might have to face a sort of cheating, fraud, deception, leg pulling, conspiracies, several things. Even keeping aside the people, the circumstances, the situation prevailing, I think this too is very much unpredictable. The circumstances, the situation we do have to face is not very predictable. It's not very predictable. It is quite unpredictable. Our predictions actually, our predictions usually does not come true, does not materialize. Our expectations usually does not come true. We do have to face the difficult situation, the difficult scenario. It's not easy. It's challenging, and maybe it's quite challenging. So for that reason, the people who do prepare well and the people who are ready for all sort of circumstances, they don't have to they don't have to be upset, they don't have to be embarrassed, they don't have to lose the senses. Now let's put forward a beautiful example. There is a police in Pakistan Obviously, police is there to face the, to manage and to organize and to suppress the criminals, to protect the, to protect the law abiding citizens, and they are specially trained for it, they are specially paid for it. Everything is according to the responsibilities, yet they fail to manage certain type of circumstances, the type of circumstances which are more tough than usual. The government of Pakistan, the government of Punjab have made an elite force which is superior than the general police, and where the general police fail to maintain the order, elites are called, elite police is called, and elite police is trained by the SSG. SSG is a segment of Pakistan army, which is the army is there to face the tough situation, the very tough situation. But the SSG, a segment of the army which comprises these people, special services group, they are trained and they are selected carefully, then they are trained meticulously to handle, to manage even the toughest of situations, even the toughest of circumstances. Now these elite forces are trained by the SSGs of the army. And now out of the country, outside Pakistan too, the other countries too, they do have a normal regular police, and apart from having the regular police, they do have the riot police as well, which is specially trained to control, to manage the riots, not a regular policing. They are not deployed where the regular policing is needed, although they can easily do it because this was their primary training, this was their first training. But the second training was to manage the riots. So these are even the tougher people, the people serving in the riot police. So therefore, I mean, keeping in view all those examples, keeping in view all those examples, I shall say that we need to become, while if at all we are living in a society like Pakistan, and if at all we are the commoners, a commoner living in a society like Pakistan, a person of lesser resources living in the society like Pakistan, have to prepare well, and do have to prepare psychologically that I might face any sort of circumstances, any sort of situation. The people from whom I am expecting so much, the people from whom I'm expecting, I do have the expectations, they might not treat me fairly and nicely. The people, the people from whom I'm expecting, they might not treat me fairly and nicely. And even the normal people, the general public, the people I don't know, they too might put certain tough challenges in front of me. I may have to face it. I may have to face the tougher situation, the tougher circumstances, the tougher things in the life, the tough people in the life, and the tough behavior of the people, the difficult behavior of the people, the challenges put forward in front of me by the general people, and the challenges put forward in front of me by the people who are close to me, by the people who are close to me, from whom I do have the expectations that they will cooperate me. They might not cooperate, and they might put forward, even they might put certain challenges in front of me as well. So why not to prepare myself for the tougher and for the difficult situation? And I think if at all we do, we are ready psychologically, then only we can live comfortably, and then only we will not be embarrassed, then only we will not be upset, then only we will not be losing the senses, then only we will not be unhappy and disturbed. Rather, we will be leading a stable life, inshallah. Thank you, Jazakallah.